How to install the gearbox. Step 1. Put the gearbox in the bridge fort. Then tighten the screws first, to ensure the centrality of the half axis between the gearbox and the rear axle, prevent deviation. Step 2. Insert the half shaft. Turn slowly and gently press the half shaft in. Step 3. Install the waterproof plate. Note the position of the brake rocker arm and tighten the screws with the tool. Step 4. Install the lantern ring. Install brake pot. Install square key, gasket. Then install the castle nut and tighten it. And install the cotter pin. Step 5. Install the brake lever. And install the cotter pin. Step 6. Install the wheels.